This is a complete bearing ring production line. Bar stock of appropriate length is cut according to the size of the ring. Then, the cut bar stock is fed into an intermediate frequency induction heating furnace via an automatic feeding machine. After being heated to around 1150 degrees Celsius, it is transferred via a chute to a 3-station walking beam manipulator on a 315-ton press. This manipulator, in coordination with the press, completes upsetting, punching, and flattening processes. Next, the ring blanks enter two 250 CNC ring rolling machines via diverter plate for rolling expansion. Each ring rolling machine is equipped with a 3-joint robot, achieving automated ring rolling. Finally, the rolled rings enter a material basket via a conveyor chain, completing the ring rolling operation. The main advantages of using a ring rolling machine to manufacture bearing rings are improving material utilization, increasing production efficiency, and enhancing product strength and precision, reducing production costs and enabling flexible production of rings of various sizes and materials.